Good day, everyone. I am Jinkajun A. Singuran from BL2B. The Visions of CTU, a premier science and technology university in Southeast Asia. The CTU mission. The university is committed to providing inclusive, innovative, and internationally recognized degree programs that proactively respond to community and industry needs through the sustainable integrations of its core functions, empowering stakeholders to address regional and national developments within the dynamic context of the global knowledge economy and industry 5.0. And now, the goals of CTU. Based on the university vision and mission, it will articulate a sustained quality higher education system within the Philippines in aligning with JEDSUC, leveling, and other national international standards. Develop innovative industry responsive academic programs that foster strong local, national, and international partnerships with key stakeholders, students, faculty, industry, community, and academic partners, aligned with regional, national, and global development priorities. Vitalize internal resource generations and technopreneurship initiatives driven by its intellectual assets to ensure the university's long-term financial sustainability and growth. Achieve and sustain high national and international university rankings through excellence in instructions, research, extensions, and productions. Nurture comprehensive information technology, physical infrastructures, and human resource development aims at enhancing talent, professional growth, and institutional capability to attain optimal operational efficiency. Engage actively in sustainable practices and impactful community collaborations aligned with cultural preservations and valuing humanity as the innermost core of society. Outcomes transform visionary leadership and innovations to accelerate regional and national development in the context of the modern industrial revolution. Increase access by economically challenged but deserving students to relevant, quality, and world-class tertiary education, with learning integrations of practical experiences to achieve inclusive and sustainable growth. Develop research-intensive and multidisciplinary university culture that strengthens higher education's research leading to economic productivity and innovation. Instituted innovative systems resulting in effective, efficient, sustainable, and equitable resource general mobilization and management including optimal utilization utilizations of resources provided by the government and expansions of the other revenue and funding streams for financial sustainability. Heightened sustainable community and stakeholder engagements with harmonized institutional, financial, administrative, and policy frameworks that attained the highest academic research, extensions, and resources generations excellence standards. Forge strategic local international linkages, partnerships, and initiatives leading to heightened regional and global role in the modern industrial revolution and human and intellectual capital for sustained economic development.